Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have Mr. CDM back because he did so well in the last match, and then he's going to be playing
Nik Special.
Nik with a K.
Nik with a K, that's right. That's the only way to do it right.
So Nik, do you want to tell viewers a little bit about your tennis background?
Yeah, so I started playing when I was 8. I moved to the United States when I was 10, and then I've been playing junior tennis and then also some community college tennis. Didn't really have a chance to play just normal college tennis. But I won CIF 2018 in the San Diego section, so that was kind of my prime. Now I'm just trying to get back into it, just hoping to play some good tennis today.
I want to say thank you for coming up from San Diego today.
I appreciate it. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, of course. And Jack, what's your UTR and your background? Are you in high school right now, right?
I'm gonna be a senior in high school at Corona Del Mar next year. I'm an 11-3 right now.
And you destroyed Goop Dogg last time. What was your UTR?
I think I got to like
18, 19?
Yeah, like a 12.8. That was like my highest. Then it's been that's been dropping ever since. Just slowly but surely it's been
awesome. Game styles, how do you play?
I'm just a grinder from the baseline. I love the baseline. I'm probably not gonna come to that much unless he makes me, that's the only thing. So maybe hit me some drop shots. I'll get to them then, that's fine, but whatever. And then Jack, I just like to grind from the baseline. That's what I do.
Awesome. And then Jack, a little more aggressive, right?
Yeah, I'm more like an aggressive baseliner. Like to come in.
Nik, what are you using today?
Yeah, man, so I have the Pure Strike 98. Tension is 47. A Hyper G, I think it's 16L.
Yep. Looks like Hyper G to me.
Oh yeah.
I've got the same Zeus racket, strung at 49.5. Hyper G 16L.
Nice. Both in the 40s for tension. Getting lower and lower.
That's tense nowadays.
As always, guys, if you like this content, hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to reach 50K by the end of the year. And make sure to be nice to both these guys who are playing on YouTube today. All right. Nice shot. 12.8 UTR, yeah. I can tell.
It's coming back. Stop.
Dude, come on. Coming back slowly.
Maybe that's the
Slowly.
key, just hit first serves. Just make them.
That's a good idea. It works.
That's the only thing that works right now. I'm on the board, man. Oh my god.
Slowly making your way back.
Slowly, slowly. Just 1 point a game, that's all.
You went down 0-3 so quick. You gotta come back. Slowly, man. Good point. You're looking like a 12.8.
This game, I'm like 70% there. Just have to hold out until then. What?
Good point, guys. Good serve.
No. Oh man, I had you, man. You good? Yeah, I'm good.
Did you ever fall like in your other practice matches?
The last 3 times I fell were on the score.
Is it the core, you think?
No, that one was totally like, that one I misstepped because I rolled an ankle, but like not rolled it.
No, okay, you good?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Keep up. Sir.
Thanks.
Good shot. go, Grinder?
One at a time, man. Man, make the ball. No.
All right, guys, Jack won that 8-game pro set. I don't know if it's quite fair because he played 2 hours, 2 sets again.
It's not fair. No, it's not fair.
This guy always comes in locked in, and then he gets like a 10-minute warm. It's all good. It's all for fun. No problem.
No, it's all good. It's all good.
Nick, do you want to tell the viewers what you did with your backhand recently?
Yeah, I switched to a one-hand backhand like, I don't know, like 3 months ago or so. Yeah, so I came back to playing tennis like after a year taking a break. I decided to try something new with the one-hander. I know it's not pretty. I'm trying to work on it. It's good to play against people like him because he's really putting a lot of pressure there. Not many forehands for me to hit. You know, it's like, I have to stay locked in and yeah.
It's gonna be hard to pick up a new stroke.
No, exactly. Yeah, it is hard. Yeah, I feel like I just gotta keep playing more because I feel like, like I have some shots, like I feel like I have them on my racket. Maybe sometimes I'm going for too much, just trying to like flatten it out too much instead of just getting back in play. But it's like, I feel like it's gonna take time, because I've been playing, with a two-hander more than 10 years, so it's like a big change. But it's something that I'm, looking forward to because, like, I don't know. I hate the two-hander, man. I can't do it anymore.
How do you think you played today?
Thought I played pretty well.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, serves were big, forehands were big.
Yeah, there wasn't much more I could have done.
So I hope these YouTube matches help you as a young adult, like rekindle your joy and passion for the sport.
For sure.
And Jack as a high school junior to get some practice in, hopefully achieve your college goals and that. So I think there's benefits to it. I hope you guys enjoy it too. So just wanted to put that out there. All right, guys, as a thank you for playing, I got some Solinco product. So for Jack, Solinco hat.
Wow.
You want to put it on?
Yeah.
For Nick here, I've got a Solinco shirt.
Yeah, appreciate
try it on
man.
too?
Yeah, for sure. That's nice, man.
Check it out. Cool hat. Nice, Solinco.
Hey,
Hey, look at that. As always, guys, if you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button and let us know if you want to see any different matchups in the future. See you on the next one.